widescreen format again? Why are these things so tilted? You know, I have no idea. Seriously, we tried to balance everything. Oh, by the way, remember those mind control videos? Yeah. Well, we're gonna be doing them again. And let me see which one I can pick up. Yeah. Hang on, let me see. Oh, by the way, I got a list of even more people. And 2, 10. Close enough. Actually, on second thoughts, let's just get this down there so that way I can do this. Okay, let's get right to it. Just wait a while until I upload. Hey, look, we have an advantage for once. Hey, you don't even need to move. That's just it. You could just stare at these bunch of idiots wallowing around, or you could just do something while I search for it. In there, for some reason. Hang on. Sorry. You mean to tell me that they make this? Could it possibly get any worse? It just did. Now get on there!
We've captured a command post. Enemy forces have captured a command post. We're losing reinforcements.
Wait, hold up a minute. Something's not right with it.
We've captured a command post.
That's better. I can barely... Oh wait, there it is. This is mind control? Yeah, this is their idea of mind control. Disturbing sound effects with awesome shit. Ah, Terrence. Don't you just love it? I don't want it anymore. I gotta concentrate. What's that? You want more? Oh great, now you got me killed. To be fair, we all hate turrets. Be grateful that they at least have computers. Yeah! How come these guys' mind control videos are so stupid? Let's just say they hate drilling sounds. No, really, that's it. They just hate drilling sounds for some reason. I guess the clones hate it too. Then again, what the hell? Ah! Well, this is the first time I used a pistol in a while. In your face, or whatever the hell it is your face. I love that thing, but seriously. Ow! That hurts! Seriously! Ha! Oops! There! Ah! That hurt! Well, good news! You can finally test out a new class. The jetpack will allow you to get further through the map, yada yada yada. Ah! Damn it! Damn it! I ran out of shit! There! Dog! Ha! Still got a commando! Shut up! Are you thoroughly relaxed? No, I'm just slightly freaked out. Oh man, the music's over. Why does this remind me of the time I went to the new droid station? Oh my gosh! What just happened? It appears you almost fell off the entire thing. I have no idea. I'm just looking at this through a grainy filter, and trust me, what I'm seeing is stupid. It's grainy, it's old, and I have no idea exactly why we still... Oh my gosh, I just shot some resident. Did you say you just shot him? Please tell me that was a voice modulator. You know, let's just stick this on the era of stuff and continue on home. Wait, there's someone... There's... Got it. And... There it... And... Ha! Oh, there you are. I know your targeting systems too well. Oh my. Why is that even here? You all know what the old-fashioned solution is? Killing a droid by doing absolutely nothing, waiting for it to rust. That's the old solution? Wow. Hey, no fair! He took my shot. Did they just... Hey, get back over here! Those assholes are coming right up my flank! Hey, what are you doing? Oh, crap. It's only a matter of time before they find me. Get in there and secure the area. Come on, you almost have it. Okay, there we go. At least one of us is safe. You're just in the picket line for the next bunch of droids. Or drones. Oh, by the way, that door's open for some reason. I guess that's the main security concern. Leaving the doors open. Huh. Not a bright idea now, is it? Don't you find it seemingly odd? Don't you think that maybe just maybe the mind control thing was the reason they came here in the first place? Why do you ask? It sounded like someone was being built. Well, at least we're done here, for now. And hey, at least I still am alive. I've got to do that sometime.